Well, Pythagoras didn't stop there. He said, these are amazing ratios. And he said, well, I wonder if I can build a whole musical scale. I wonder if I just keep going with these 2/3 ratios, and that was his favorite one, what I could come up with. And so he decided to put a mark on his monochord right at the halfway point. And he decided these notes were kind of the same in a sense, but one was twice as long as the other, but it was a beautiful harmony. And he wanted to see if he could find a bunch of notes in between these two. So the first one, of course, was his favorite, was this. So there's the first two notes of his scale, that 2/3 point. And here's the brilliance of what he decided to do next. He said, from this note, what should be the next note? Well, take it 2/3 again. So he took this remaining string, and he found the 2/3 part, and he put a line right there. Well, that happens to be right here. So here it is again, that same 2/3 ratio. But this time, this one is outside of his, where his, what we call an octave, it was outside of it. So how does he get this note back up there? Well, he doubles it. So you take this string, and that makes it an octave higher. So we make this, and we double it, and guess what? We wind up here at the 2nd fret. So now he had 3 notes. He started here, he went here, and he went here. Well, he did it again. So that brought him up to here. So now he had boom, 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 and so on. He kept dividing the remaining string length by 2/3, doubling it if necessary, and an amazing thing happened. After 12 of these notes, he wound up here, right back where he started. I mean, or an octave higher, actually. So he'd gone from here to here in 12 steps, all harmonious 2/3. Every time, cutting the string by 2/3 and doubling it sometimes. The scale, the chromatic scale that we look at like this, should really be played the way Pythagoras discovered it. And if you do it that way, it's all perfect. 3/2 ratios, all perfect harmonies all the way up the scale.